name's Tony Westbrook and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I want to look at a KRC2 which was returned to us for repair. The owner had built it and found that it worked when he first built it, but for some reason it failed, it just stopped completely, so he sent it back to us to repair, which we've done. I just want to give it a run through on a number of stations to demonstrate the performance of it. I'll be using a 20-foot doublet, which is 10 foot aside with a matching transformer in the middle running down through 50 ohm coax into the house. So come and see how I get on. That's Radio New Zealand coming through on 13755 kilohertz. It's coming up to 10:30 in the morning.
Before that, we heard Bahia from vibraphonist Roland Gronaton's album Travel Island, which is available somewhere on the interwebs. Also, House of Dawn, done by Dominic Frontiere and his orchestra. He started out playing jazz accordion, and by the late 50s, was involved in movie and TV music. This is on the album Pagan Festival, an exotic love ritual for orchestra. In 1959, the liner notes say its aim is to musically interpret ancient Incan rituals and superstitions. And it's a fabulous album, very much like for the music. I'm Darryl Brown, thank you for joining us here at the Underground Martini Bunker for another retro cocktail hour. Up ahead, Alex Ketch from Surface Paradise and the Crescendo Orchestra. He did some albums in the late 50s and early 60s, combining Eastern and Western musical styles. Right now, though, more cha-cha-cha. It's Dolores Duncan. She says it's cha-cha-cha on the Retro Cocktail Hour.
That's the Volmet coming through on 8957 kilohertz. It's about 11:15 in the morning, so there's a slightly better signal on that band.
Powerful opportunity to learn really important values. Let's be honest, parents and teachers, if you mention the word respect, children like to switch off immediately. But spending minutes, hours with ponies and horses, something that you learn without having to be told what it means.
Well, that's China Radio coming through, which of course is very powerful.
The image of the equestrian industry and is a role model for younger generations.
A lot of the focus with Alex's career has been on what he's done to create sustainable foundations at the top levels of the sport for other riders. It's fair to argue that Alex's involvement in the sport has also inspired a lot of young people who think, actually, there's someone who looks like me and maybe I am welcome in this world, and it makes them feel that that's a place where they belong. So he's made an enormous impact, and I think that's something that's very important to him as well.
Alex's parents are tremendously proud of him. Here's his dad.
Such as the Donizetti Festival and Gothington Opera. And that was the news on Radio Romania International.
And that was Radio Romania, of course, coming through on 15460 kilohertz, just after midday. Well, I hope you found the video useful, and like I say, thank you for watching.